In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your API key settings in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a quick refresher, this guide will make it simple. Start by opening your browser and going to HubSpot.com. Click the login button at the top right and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once logged in, click the settings gear icon in the top menu. In the settings menu, select Integrations. This is where you manage all your connected apps and integrations. Next, click on Private Apps. HubSpot now encourages using private apps instead of legacy API keys for more secure authentication. Here, you can review existing apps or click Create a new app to generate your API key. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. And that's it. You've successfully located your HubSpot API key settings, making it easy to connect HubSpot with other platforms securely.